Welcome to Excel for Tally. In this video, we will learn how to check outstanding report in Tally ERP 9. Go to Outstanding in Statements of Accounts from Display option in Tally. There is option for receivables and payables bills. Amount receivable will shown here bill wise. This report includes date, party name, invoice no, pending amount and due days. Click on any invoice to see the details. Click here to see outstanding report as party wise. Click on age wise to see the report by due days. Write number of days here to see the report. Payable report will include sundry creditors. You can also check the outstanding report by ledger. Select ledger from the list to see the outstanding balance of that ledger. Press space to select any row. Selected row's total amount will reflect here. Click on Bill Settlement to pass any entry for the selected rows directly from here. Write date and bank name. Save the voucher and it will directly pass a receipt or payment entry. In this way, we can check outstanding report in Tally. You can also directly import any voucher from Excel to Tally in just one click by excelfortally.com. Search excelfortally.com on web. Sign up for free on excelfortally.com to import your data. Mail us or call us for any query. Subscribe to our channel for updates. Watch our other videos for updates on Tally and Excel. Subscribe to our channel to get latest update on Tally and Excel. Thank you for watching video.